Today I'm going to show you how to put two videos on one screen in CapCut PC step by step so you can create a clean split screen layout in just a few minutes. This is perfect for comparisons, reactions, tutorials, side-by-side edits, and any project where you want to show two clips at the same time without complicated editing. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your desktop. Once you're inside the editor, look for the import button. Click import and choose the two video files you want to use. After that, bring both clips into your media library so they're ready to edit. Now go down to the timeline. Drag your first video onto the main track at the bottom. This will be your base clip. Then take your second video and drag it onto the track directly above the first one. Placing the videos on separate tracks is what lets you control them individually and put them into the same frame. Next, click the top video in the preview window or select it from the timeline. You should see resize handles around the clip. Drag the corners inward to make the video smaller. Once it's smaller, move it to one side of the screen. Usually the left or right side works best depending on the look you want. After that, select the bottom video. Just like before, resize it by dragging the corners inward, then move it to the empty side of the screen so both clips sit nicely next to each other. The goal is to make sure each video has its own space and both are visible at the same time. If needed, fine-tune the position of each clip so they line up evenly. You can adjust the size a little more if one video looks too large or too small. Keep moving them until the screen looks balanced and professional. A good split screen should feel clean, with both videos easy to see. If your videos are not matching perfectly, don't worry. Just keep adjusting the scale and position until the layout looks right. You can also make one video slightly bigger if you want to emphasize it more than the other. That's one of the benefits of using CapCut PC. You have full control over how each clip appears. Once you're happy with the layout, play the timeline back and check the final result. Make sure both clips stay visible and that the framing looks good throughout the video. If everything looks correct, you're done. And that's how to put two videos in one screen on CapCut by you. It's a simple method, but it can make your edits look much more creative and engaging. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.